ये भाई ऐसा मत घूमो यार। अरे इन लोगों को घूम लेंगे पहले। हाँ घूम लो भाई।
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please keep their mobile phones on silent, just in case you have your mobile phones with you, which you have. Please कृपया से उसे silent mode पे रखें. We're just about to start off. Alright, a very warm welcome to everybody present here this evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of this press conference. The revolutionary change that we are trying to bring about is all about creating trust and fostering relationships. This concept has always been there, be it a personal relationship or a professional one. All we are trying to do here is kill the doubt which is perceived by one individual towards another. You might have heard of the term pistanthrophobia. Basically, this is a phobia of not trusting people because of negative experiences that one has in his past. When we go ahead and when we hire people, it could be domestic maids, it could be your babysitters, or even drivers for that matter. We should notice the fact that more than 3.5 lakh frauds have been taken place because of domestic maids in the last year. However, only 10% of them have been registered with the police. The idea over here is to live in a safe and secure environment, make sure everyone around us who is employed with us, who we are doing businesses with, or who we are going to get into a personal relationship with is tracked. Yes, tracked. That stands for trust, reliability, authenticity, and guarantee. The entire environment is going to revolutionize itself simply because of the fact that we are trying to foster it by instilling a sense of safety with the use of our databases, with the use of our network personnel, with the use of our skilled investigative officers. We have basically got 3 verticals under track. One, wherein we are doing corporate screening, employee screening, which has been a vanilla product for so many years now. However, we've still seen many frauds happening, many bogus thefts happening within the organization. We've also seen that there is a stolen identity within an organization. These figures never tend to end. When you talk about personal relationships, divorces are on the rise. Crime has always been. The idea over here, friends, is to make sure that any relationship that one gets into, he should get into it once he's tracked a person. We want to create a norm. We want to start a different way of, the way people look at things. I'll hand over the mic now to the Managing Director, Mahesh Bambani, and he would like to tell you how exactly this process works and why we are so confident that we are going to change the way and make Mumbai a crime-free place.
Hi everybody, my name is Mahesh Bambani. Okay, basically if I have to talk about the product track score, okay, this basically works under the concept of precaution is better than cure. Okay, so if you have to deal with anybody, maybe it's a domestic one as Mr. Karan said, or if you want to get into any kind of a financial or a mental relationship with anybody, so at that time also you should, and in fact everybody should get that person tracked. Now if I have to talk about the process of track score, it's just that you have to log on to our website, enter the basic details of that particular person. You have to sign on the I agree agreement, and then basically after that we get the track score of that particular person within a tad of 15 odd days. Now I would like Karan, in fact, to speak about the other products as well.
TrackScore, friends, is a very simple product. Like Mahesh said, once we log on to the website, we actually have to decide why do we want to track the other person. Is it a personal relationship, a nuptial relationship, a relationship between a girlfriend and a boyfriend? or a post-marital relationship. Once we have done that, the next step would be deciding where we want to reveal the score for. Basically, the tracker decides on what parameters the traggy will be scored or rated on. So the products are a financial score, wherein we check the fact whether the person who is being tracked on is financially stable. There are various scientific and logical reasoning methods employed in this. What is seen is which city he is working in, which organization he is with, what is the average salary for that particular industry, and then accordingly we have what kind of money he saved on, and then we decide the fact whether he is actually financially stable. However, just being financially stable is not enough. There are other parameters as well. For example, the next product would be a social score. Now, everyone is not an extrovert. So basically, social media is a platform wherein people try to express themselves. What we try to gauge over here is how active the person is, how active the traggy is. He could be very aggressive, moderate, passive, or completely inactive on the website. So we have our ways and means to find out, and obviously with the advent of internet, the things have become easier, however not very organized. So we're just trying to organize the entire thing by revealing the right social score behind that person. Then comes the educational score, which is a very important criteria when in premarital cases, just right before you are trying to get married to someone, and then your spouse says that, your prospective spouse says that he's studied up to a certain, he's done his qualification up to, let's say, an MBA. However, our job is to find out whether he's actually done it or not. So there are some reliable softwares that we depend on that give us the rating of the person and reveal the truth about him. Like social score, financial score, and education score, there is a very important thing which is a criminal check, the integrity check, the fraud check, and the compliance check. Now these checks have been levied, these checks have been made only with the use of really advanced softwares and technology, wherein we have the access to these databases which give us the right information about a certain person. So let's say you're getting into a business relationship with someone and you're putting in a ton of money, you definitely want to know whether the other person is capable to do that and whether he's not convicted of any fraud as such. So we have access to databases, to tribunals, to different type of courts, be it cyber court or an IT court or your SEBI, your IRDA, your financial court, your civil court. So we have access to these databases which just help us understand whether the person has done any mishap in the past or not, according to which we reveal the score. Besides, the idea of this entire institute, the entire organization is to make sure, in Mumbai, I mean, we're living in a density of what, 20,000 people per square kilometer. So, when we look left, we look right, we have people around us and we tend to form relationships with them. While we are traveling, while we are carpooling, there are people with us. The driver who we have hired to take us from point A to point B is obviously our companion for that short time. The domestic maid that comes to a house only for a mere 40 minutes can do a lot of damage. You have a small baby at home and a babysitter. Trust me, the babysitters, there are a lot of child molestation cases, around 2 lakh child molestation cases last year for that matter. So basically what I'm trying to put, the point that I'm trying to put across is we are surrounded by people all the time. And it's the doubt that does not let us go ahead. Maybe there is a lot of positivity in the system, but there is an assurance, there is an organization, there is a scrutiny which is required that backs our positivity about that person and instills a sense of fear and security within us that if we go ahead and do business, or if we go ahead and tie the knot with this person, or if we go ahead and recruit this person to help us with our petty chores, then we'll definitely be successful. That little pat on the back, that little assurance is given by Track.
Track is, and the entire team is present right here. I'd also like to welcome our special guest and present a bouquet as a token of our appreciation. Zordar Talia ho jaye for our special guest present this evening, Mr. Kunal Singh and Ms. Sonam Lamba. And Kunal, before we proceed, I think I had the pleasure of sharing a chat with you. Now that you know about Track and ye ab reveal ho raha hai in front of the entire audience here, with that kind of secure information and scoring, ये एक अलग level पे जाता है because like sir shared you know, the softwares that we have access to. I'm going on record and sharing this. यहाँ तक कि अगर मेरी शादी नहीं हुई है तो I know कि अगर मैं किसी को डेट कर रहा हूँ, if I want to plan to get married, you even have access to even WhatsApp records. Is that correct, sir?
That's absolutely true.
So that is the level of checks that Track can absolutely reach to. So I'm going to share this with you. Is there something that you would like to share on this subject, because it's that level of checks that happen now? So how do you perceive it? Something that you would like to share, sir? Right, yes.
जब मैंने सुना कि ट्रैक के बारे में, एक्चुअली मैं बहुत खुश हो गया कि ये तो भाई बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है यार। क्या मतलब ऐसी कंपनी है कि लाइक हम जान पाएंगे कि सामने वाले के बारे में कि कौन सच बोल रहा है, कौन झूठ बोल रहा है। तो अब तो मैंने सोच लिया कि अब जब गर्लफ्रेंड बनाऊंगा तो पहले ट्रैक वालों को हायर कर लूँगा तो उससे पता चल जाएगा कि एक्चुअली गर्लफ्रेंड सच बोल रही है, झूठ बोल रही है। बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है।
Trust, and I'm sure you all would agree with me that trust is the most important factor in all of us lives, and being a girl especially, I feel that for my life trust is very important, let it be in my personal or professional life. Of course, being an actor, I need people whom I can trust. Like, if I want to appoint someone as my driver to drive my car, or if I want a boy to, like, you know, take care of my daily activities, of course I need someone whom I can trust a lot. तो I don't know कि सामने वाला जो बोल रहा है वो सच होगा या नहीं। अभी of course being an actor, I cannot run behind everyone कि मैं जाके चेक करूँ सबके डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड सबका पास, सबके रिकॉर्ड, सबके हिस्ट्री चेक करूँ। तो आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स ट्रैक, व्हाट ट्रैक इज अबाउट टू डू, दैट इज रियली कमेंडेबल, एंड आई एम श्योर कि वो हम सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग अ गर्ल, आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट दैट। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much. That is exactly what the intention is. We want to make sure that people just give up on doubting and being dubious and being very skeptical about people around them. As and when they want, inhale as much as confidence as they can and exhale or as much as doubt that they can. That is the entire concept, that is the entire idea for Track.
And so I think just to quickly add to it, I think Track का full form कोई जानता है यहाँ पर? If anybody would know Track, like we know, sir, over to you. This is your.
I think I forgot to mention it's trust, reliability, authenticity, guarantee. That is what Track stands for. And we work on the principle of verification and validation. So basically we have a robust team, a system in place. All you need to do is just download our app, which will release in a few days from now, and go to www.trackindia.com. Put in your details. When you're actually going ahead and asking for a score, it's obvious that you tend to know some details about the opposite person. So you enter those details, enter your own details, you send the payment across, and the entire idea is we are trying to make this product really, really cheap. So the most expensive product that you will have with Track score will not be more than maybe just 5,000 or 6,000 rupees, and the cheapest being around 1,500 rupees. So this is actually a retail product which is for the people, by the people, and we are just trying to create a platform. We are just trying to organize it, systemize it, use a little bit of wit to it, use a little bit of systematic approach when it comes to investigative techniques, and then again validate it with the use of the softwares that we have got to give it a solid structure, so that we justify why the rating is rated at a certain number. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bharadwaj. I think for the very first time, with the crime rate in Mumbai and other cities growing at such an alarming rate, here comes an organization that has taken the weight forward and has come forward and said, yes, we're going to do it, and we're doing it in a very accessible fashion. a common man, when we hire domestic help या फिर हम किसी के साथ एक business relationship, it becomes very accessible for us. And कल परसों अगर हमें कभी ज़रूरत हो, it is almost a click away. So a huge round of applause for the entire team present here. I think hats off to the League of Extraordinary Gentlemen and Women. Quick time for a Q&A with the press. If अगर आपको कोई सवाल पूछने हैं, here's a good time. The mic is right here. If there's something that you'd like to pose and ask our entire team, our directors, everybody's here. So anybody with any questions, just raise your hand. I'll be around. All right. So.
Well, I feel there's one question. Sure.
मेरा सवाल यही है कि क्या ये सिर्फ सर्वेंट्स, ड्राइवर्स और बेबी सिटर्स के लिए भी होगा या तो इवन प्रोड्यूसर हायर्स एन आर्टिस्ट, टीवी आर्टिस्ट, तो उनका भी ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड निकालने के लिए आप सलाह देंगे?
So, a very nice question. The answer to that question is whoever deals with whoever and the products what we have, उसके basis पे उनका track हम करेंगे. So it is not restricted to domestic. It is not restricted to any kind of a relationship, any kind of a bonding, any kind of an involvement if you want to have with that particular person. So you can just get that person tracked.
Thank you.
All right. Right here.
My name is Alex. Congratulations for the track and very grand opening. My small question is that post-marriage about divorce you said. So what exactly you are going to, because pre-marriage okay, you are going to find out the track record, the track number and the date. Post-marriage in divorce cases, how you are going to do it? And how it is helpful to solve a divorce case like marriage been not today or means like exactly what is the
Right, I understand your question. Eventually, everything cannot be online. There are a few areas wherein a little bit of customized investigation is required. So while we are trying to make this product online and while we are trying to create a norm where prevention is better than cure, but I also understand that there is a lot of bad that has already happened. So what has already happened, all we can do is use our on-field investigative officers. So we are definitely tied up with the police officials, with lawyers, the solicitors. They do the on-field investigation, case-to-case basis, and then they try to find out what exactly is the reason. So when it comes to infidelity or adultery or anything relating to post-marital parameters, then an individual investigation is required. For that, there is a one-to-one case-to-case basis kind of thing.
All right, anybody with any question? Good time to ask.
I think so. We are done with the press conference, and the presentation will be followed in the next say 5 minutes from now. And so I would like to say the punchline is that so if you're done tagging, let's start dragging. Thank you.
All right, we're going to have a quick photo of May request all the directors and the entire team to quickly join us right here in front of the picture. This is the mega launch and the press conference happening for Try.
Thank you. Thank you.
कुणाल, आज ट्रैक का लॉन्च है, उसके बारे में जरा बताएंगे।
कुणाल बताएंगे।
नहीं, पहले सर बताएंगे।
Like how we cover Track Investigations India Private Limited. We're launching it today on the 21st of August 2015, a very special date for us. The idea is to unveil the real face behind every hidden, every sly, every shrewd face. इस चीज़ को एक नॉर्म बनाना है, इस चीज़ को सिंपल रखना है और आम जनता तक एक कम कॉस्ट में पहुंचाना है, as low as 1500 rupees, as high as 5000. आप लॉयल्टी, स्टेबिलिटी, किसी का फिनेंशियल्स और किसी के बारे में कोई इंटेग्रिटी या कंप्लायंस या फ्रॉड चेक करना है तो यू कैन डू इट थ्रू ट्रैग इन्वेस्टिगेशंस इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एंड यूज़ द ट्रैग स्कोर, डाउनलोड इट थ्रू एन ऐप और go to www.tragindia.com.
करण, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रैग एंड ये इसका यूएसपी क्या है? क्योंकि तो बहुत सारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंपनीज हैं बॉम्बे में, सो व्हाट इज द यूएसपी ऑफ योर कंपनी?
Trust, reliability, authenticity or guarantee. These are the pillars for any investigative company. And we have chosen to keep our name TRAG because the abbreviation simply fits in the name. कोर प्रोडक्ट जो है इसका ट्रैक स्कोर है. आज तक हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशंस करे हैं, कॉर्पोरेट स्क्रीनिंग्स एम्प्लॉयज़ के हुए हैं, लेकिन ह्यूमन रेटिंग सिस्टम कोई नहीं हुआ है. आप किसी ह्यूमन को रेट अगर कर सकते हैं, आप खाने को रेट करते हैं, मूवी को रेट करते हैं, आप कपड़ों को रेट करते हैं, बट आदमियों को रेट नहीं करते, औरतों को रेट नहीं करते. सो बेसिकली वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ नॉर्म वेर एन ओपिनियन, अ रिव्यू, अ रेटिंग कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड. It is not a judgment. However, the idea over here is to give people an inclination, a little hint about how the opposite party could be or is.
जी, जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि बीइंग अ गर्ल ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट कि मैं जिन लोगों से पूरे दिन में डील करती हूँ आई शुड ट्रस्ट देम, एंड ट्रस्ट करने के लिए मुझे उनके बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जैसे हम लोगों का इतना बिजी स्केड्यूल होता है, इतना बिजी रूटीन होता है, हम लोग हर किसी के पीछे नहीं भाग सकते ये जानने के लिए कि जो मुझे पता है, मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है वो सही है या गलत है. तो ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक ट्रैग जो करने वाला है और जिस तरह से हमारी हेल्प करने वाला है, मैं उस चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए ये, बल्कि हम सभी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा.
So you have some negative experience, like कुछ उससे हुआ ऐसे शेयर करना चाहेंगे something?
जी, मुझे लगता है कि शायद हर लड़की ने कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर किया होगा. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें शायद एक्सपीरियंस की हैं, तो अभी मुझे एग्जैक्टली ऐसे याद नहीं है, बहुत पहले की बातें हैं. कुछ बचपन में लाइक जब इतनी अकल भी नहीं थी, इतनी समझ भी नहीं होती थी, तब हम किसी को बता पाते थे ऐसी बातें, ना पेरेंट्स से शेयर कर पाते थे. और आई थिंक ट्रैग जैसी एजेंसीज अगर हमारी सोसाइटी में और आएंगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा हम सब के लिए. जो चीज़ें हम शायद किसी से नहीं कह पाते, नहीं शेयर कर पाते हैं, कि हमारे साथ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद ऐसा मे बी बंद ही हो जाएगा. ये सब इतने ट्रस्ट इश्यूज़ आजकल सोसाइटी में हो रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक वो प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी हद तक सॉल्व हो सकती है अगर हम सही तरीके से ट्रैग की हेल्प ले तो. हाँ, आई थिंक.
मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि एक्चुअली जो ट्रैक का जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. इससे हम लोगों को जान सकते हैं अच्छे से कि कौन कैसा है. बस यही कहूँगा कि सर का बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं ज़रूर सबको, मतलब मैं अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को इसके बारे में बताने ही वाला हूँ कि ट्रैक की ऐप डाउनलोड करिए, फिर tragindia.com पे जाइए, ये करिए. बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
You have some experience of that? कुछ है?
एक्चुअली मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है तो नहीं, बट लेकिन होगा तो मैं होने नहीं दूंगा. तो मैं उसको ट्रैक के थ्रू मैं उसको बचा लूँगा. अभी ऐसा अभी हुआ नहीं है, ना ही होगा.
प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पर आप क्या कर रहे हैं राइट नाउ?
अभी तो वी आर इन साथिया.
ओके.
ही इज श्रवण जी एंड आई एम विद्या. तो अभी तो साथिया चल रहा है, एंड आई होप कि काफ़ी देर तक चलता रहेगा. जैसे कि सबका प्यार इतना मिल रहा है 6 साल से, अभी 7वां साल स्टार्ट हो चुका है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है सबका हमारे शो को. आई होप कि आगे भी मिलता रहेगा.
सो हम रियो ओलंपिक्स में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों की काफ़ी धूम मची है. साक्षी मलिक, पीवी सिंधु, काफ़ी लोग, तो उनके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए?
जी, यहाँ पे भी मैं कहूँगी कि लड़कियाँ ही सबसे आगे हैं. आई थिंक कि पहले ऐसा लगता था कि सिर्फ स्टडीज़ में लड़कियाँ हमारे देश में आगे थी, अभी तो स्पोर्ट्स में भी आगे बढ़ती जा रही हैं. पहले एक टाइम होता था जब हमारे देश की लड़कियाँ ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट जीतती थी और लड़के स्पोर्ट्स में आगे होते थे. अभी मुझे लगता है कि वो ज़माना उल्टा हो रहा है, लड़कियाँ स्पोर्ट्स में आगे जा रही हैं और लड़के शायद ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट में जीतते जा रहे हैं. बट इसमें भी मुझे एक ही चीज़ की खुशी है, एक ही चीज़ पे गर्व फील होता है कि लड़कियां हर चीज़ में आगे हैं. और ऑफ कोर्स आई एम बीइंग अ फेमिनिस्ट, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके.
जी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारे देश की लड़कियां आगे बढ़ रही हैं, जैसे पीवी सिंधु अभी सिल्वर मेडल जीती हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा है सुन के कि अब लड़के पीछे जा रहे हैं, हमारी बारी हो गई, ख़त्म हो गई और लड़कियां उठ रही हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्चुअली।
तो आपको एक स्पोर्ट्स जैसे सभी स्पोर्ट्स को जैसे बढ़ावा हर स्पोर्ट्स को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा जो बजट है स्पोर्ट्स बजट फॉरेन देशों के मुकाबले कभी कम है। सो उस बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं बट एक्चुअली अब इंडिया उठ रहा है धीरे धीरे और आगे मेरे को लगता है कि बहुत आगे जाएगा। कि अब जैसे ओलंपिक में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है इंडिया भी दिखाया, जैसे बैडमिंटन में पीवी संधू का ही ले लीजिए आप, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, इंशाल्लाह बहुत आगे जाएगा।
लास्टली फैंस को मैसेज पे फैन
किस चीज़ के बारे जी हाँ, तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ आप लोग सब घर पे बैठ के एक तो trackindia.com क्लिक कीजिए, ठीक है, उस वेबसाइट पे जाइए, उसके बारे में पढ़िए और बहुत अच्छा है। प्लीज़
ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए
फेसबुक
एंड
पेज ऐप
जी फेसबुक पे भी पेज लाइक कर सकते हैं, ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ट्रैक का। एंड आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ है तो आई होप कि ट्रैक की मदद से ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस ना हो लाइफ में, और अगर कुछ हुआ है तो प्लीज़ उसे आगे से दोबारा होने से रोकिए प्लीज़ ट्रैक की मदद से। और सुरक्षित रहिए, सेफ़ रहिए, अपनी फैमिली को सेफ़ रखिए एंड लाइफ में जो भी डिसीजन लेने वाले हैं, चाहे वो आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में है चाहे प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में है, तो ट्रैक की हेल्प ले सकते हैं आप। आपको आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा आपके लिए। एंड प्लीज़ साथिया को प्यार देते रहिए, जितना प्यार हमें दिया है उससे ज़्यादा और दीजिए अभी आगे।
Thank you. Appeal to the public.
The appeal is keep it simple. If you doubt anyone before making it a negative experience, आप उसे ट्रैक करिए. You will have the results right in front of you, and then you can go ahead with the relationship, whether it's personal or professional. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.